Tandaan mo pa ni isang. Ang punuan ta ang plastic. So many bunga pa. Ito na nga laki dito. Tadaan! Tadaan, dandan. Sarap. Masarap ito. Ito pa oh. Parang mga itlog-itlog oh. Itlog na malaki. Look at this. Thank you Lord. Yung pamagat natin mulberry tapos yung ina-harvest natin ngayon. Alyon. Ay, hindi. Ay, nahulog po. Mga nahulog ng maliit. Masasarap pa naman ito. Oh. Oh. Mga nagkahulog na. Ang sarap nito oh. Tingnan nyo oh. Yum yum. Ano pa dito? Ito ang pinakapuno niya. Marami pa. But I can't abot.
Hulog na nga niyang iba.
Nahulog na yung iba. I can't abot din.
Ayo. Ay, no.
Ay, narumayo man laman. Ay, naruma man laman.
May shellman ko taan no. Ang lumay.
Okay na siguro to? Pwede natin itong lutuin. Agad-agad.
Kukuku. Hey. Alyon. Hi, Trident. Mega love shout out. Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. We have a very beautiful day today. Marami kaming sampay. The grapes. May graveyard dito si Lolo. Oh, what is this? May maliit na isang oh. Ano to? Tawag nito? Yung Makate. Pero ang liit niya oh. Cute. Parang maliit na caterpillar. By now it's itchy worm. May ano kami dito. My grapes. Mega love shout out to our 15 live viewers and 8 likers. Thank you for giving us likes, everyone. Thank you so much. Now we're going to cook this one. I've got this. It's called alyon. It's yummy. Bye for now, guys. I'm going to end this live. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Okay, we have so much thing to do because there's so many. Hi, chick.